Hello, thanks for watching the video. So I've got my mower here, wanted to cut grass, and can I get it started? It always starts. Been using this battery here for a few months now. So what's happening is we can't get the Bendix to jump up and meet. Flywheel, it's just spinning. So as you know, it's supposed to, well now it's hung up here. Yeah, see, I can't get it to jump up and meet. All right, let me show you what's happening. All right, so a couple things I want to try. I'm not exactly, this stays on a trickle charge. The trickle charge is supposed to keep this to 12 volts, but it is it did drop and was becoming bad before I put it on the trickle charge about 3 months ago. We're going to try another battery before we do anything else. Let's go grab another battery. Okay, so here we are. So I keep this on a trickle charge, and the trickle charge is supposed to stay up between 12 and 14 volts. Here's what it is actually. Float charger, I guess. Maybe there's a difference between a float and a trickle. But it's supposed to keep it right around 12 to 14, I believe. The history of this, though, is here's the expiration date, 12/20. It's now 2024. And this battery, the reason it's down here in the first place is because it was on a vehicle and it would no longer start the vehicle. So, being a lawnmower, you know, not a car, I thought I would go ahead and use it for a lawnmower, and I have for the last 3 months. This battery here came from a big box store, Exide Marine battery. It's also a 12 volt battery, and it will definitely start. Yeah, this one will definitely start a car. It actually started the old Mercury a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to see if this makes a difference. And our starter may not be the bad thing after all. It may just need a stronger battery. So let's see what happens. So yeah, don't give up. I'm not giving up. I'm having hope here. But that's all it is. If it's not, there's one other thing I'll try. Okay, the other thing that I was going to try is I was just going to take some lubricant and spray down the shaft of the starter, like some WD-40 or something like that, because maybe the grease might have dried out. But yeah, just a quick video. Wanted to show you what you could try. The starter's not working. Try another battery. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day.